Hi, Greg DuPont here, founder of the DuPont Law Group. I'd like to welcome you to our family, and as we get to know each other, I feel it's helpful for you to understand a little bit about me, our background, and what makes us different here at DuPont Law Group. I started practicing law back in 1992, hung out my shingle as an estate planning business lawyer, and helped a lot of families through probate and things like that. I like to say that for the first third of my career, I saw the impact of plans that were not fully implemented and plans that were not developed with the proper coordination between their investment world, their insurance world, their tax world, and of course, the legal world. And I decided that I wasn't going to sit by and watch this happen to my clients. So about 20 years ago now, I decided that I was going to make a difference. I was going to make a change. You see, I had a turning point where I had the responsibility to help a family through a, shall we say, challenge. They were in a situation where their legal team, their insurance team, their tax team, and their investment team did not coordinate. And when that estate plan needed to be enforced and implemented, well, it didn't go the way they wanted it to go. And through a long series of litigation, I found myself sitting there in a conference room with 1, 2, 3, 4 other attorneys, and at the time myself at $300 an hour being the cheapest of the lot, and realized that that family was paying all those attorneys. And it was paying all those attorneys because the family had nobody that they could trust when it's time to make some changes. And so we have built our business, we have built our model around the idea that we be a single point of responsibility for our clients, for those that feel more comfortable that way. And we found out over the last 20 years of doing this that many, many, many people do feel more comfortable doing that. And so here at DuPont Law Group, we are part of a, shall we say, a conglomerate. We have multiple businesses that are all designed around one goal: putting together estate plans that help you and your family secure, protect, and transfer the assets to your chosen people, not the government's chosen people, and not people that are taking it because of conflict. So we have a different process. We call it our 4D estate plan, which starts with understanding where you are, then takes to, okay, do we have changes that we need to make? Do we want to make them? Let's make them. That's involving our financial world. Of course, we put together estate plans that fully perform when needed. You choose your adventure with DuPont Law Group. You'll be guided through a process that'll help you understand what your options are. You will not be looking at hourly bills or anything like that. You'll choose what you want. And we believe this model that we have created and perfected over the last 20 years better suits you and your family than most other options. So I look forward to having the opportunity to get to know you personally, potentially. And more importantly, I look forward to you getting to know my team as they walk you through the 4D estate plan experience. Take care.